What up guys, today in this video I'm gonna be showing you how you can withdraw your satoshis from this Emberfund app. If you want to know how this functions, how it works, stick to this video till the end. What up guys, welcome again to my YouTube channel Urban Time, where we make review on money making applications and websites just to bring you guys the best, nothing but the best. So if today is your first time on my YouTube channel, go ahead, smash the subscribe button, click on the bell sign so you get notified each time I upload a brand new update. Alright guys, so right now you can see right now I have earned about 25,161 satoshis. That's in bitcoins anyway, from this app. And it is said that once I have the minimum of $5 worth of bitcoin, I will be able to get my bitcoin in my wallet. So quickly, let's click on boost and check out what is going on when I'm going to be receiving my money, my mined bitcoin. Okay, it's written all over here, available rewards, so the next distribution date is on the 2nd, that which is tomorrow, 2nd of February 2022. So and I already have, you can go ahead and read what is written here. You can go ahead and read. It is written that the minimum is $5. That's about or approximately 12,889 satoshis in bitcoin I'm gonna be getting. So right now I have more than that, so I am eligible to deposit my wallet address, so I'll be able to get this money in my wallet. So all I need to do right now is click on withdraw to wallet. Alright, let's click on withdraw to wallet. Alright, now all I need to do is to copy and paste my bitcoin wallet. Where's my wallet? I think here. Copy and paste my bitcoin wallet address, and let's see if I will get my payment tomorrow. Okay, copied, and let's go back to here. Okay, now paste my wallet address that I just copied and click on review. Alright, my wallet has been added up to the app. So it's written there that my BTC will arrive on the distribution date, which is on the 3rd February. 3rd February, that's tomorrow or next tomorrow. Today is the 1st, next tomorrow. So I will be expecting it on the 3rd of February. So guys, once I receive my BTC in the wallet, I will be showing you. If you're new to the crypto world and the make money online niche, I recommend you go to the Play Store and download our Learn and Earn app from the Play Store. All you need to do is click on the link in the description of this video. It will take you straight down to the Play Store where you can download our Learn and Earn app. In this app, you're going to be learning a whole lot of stuff, how to make money online on a daily basis. All you need to do is download the app, go into the app, come to the blog section where you can see all that stuff you can read about. There are a lot of articles there you can read that's going to help you on this journey. You can also click on the video tutorial section where you're going to see a lot of stuff, free mining, how to invest, how to trade, and learn a lot of stuff from this app. You can also go to the forum section, and where there are updates, frequent updates, you can always chat with people and exchange ideas with other people from these platforms. And guess what? All this is completely free of charge. You're not paying anything. All you need to do is go to the Play Store, or you click in the link in the description of this video and down. I just got my BTC in my wallet this morning. Today is the 3rd, let's see, 3rd of February. Today is the 3rd of February, and I received my Bitcoin in my wallet from the Emberfund app. So guys, I don't know what you're waiting for to join up on this free app. It's actually free. I got all this Bitcoin for totally free. So guys, there's a link in the description. If you want to download the app, is also in the description. Just click on it, you go to Play Store and you download, then start mining. There's a video I did, a video on how to start mining, how to register and all. If you're having issues, you're gonna click on this video popping up on the right top corner of this screen. Click it and you watch how to install and start mining on the Emberfund app. So guys, if you like what I just showed you, please give this video a thumbs up, and you can share with your friends, and also subscribe to my channel, because I have a lot of good stuff to show you guys every time, any day, so I'll see you again in the next video, guys. Bye.